We are thrilled to introduce the latest iteration of the ever-popular Glyph smartphone, the Nothing Phone 2A. Despite being made mostly of plastic, we expect the Nothing 2A to rival flagship phones in terms of build quality and durability. After a unique unboxing experience, it's time to explore the Nothing Phone 2A up close. Its design is distinctively unique, true to the brand's reputation. It almost feels like two eyes are looking back at you, not in a weird way though. The Nothing Phone 2A feels solid and very comfortable to hold. Next, let's move on to the scratch test. Historically, Nothing has excelled in glass production, and we expect nothing less from Carl Pei with the Nothing Phone 2A. We believe the display production on the Nothing 2A will outperform the inferior quality glasses found on some budget devices from BBK. We are confident the glass production will endure without any damage. However, the unexpected has occurred. For the first time, the Nothing Phone 2A's corning glass production has failed. Now, let's test the drop impact resistance of the mostly plastic Nothing Phone 2A. We'll perform 2 low drops followed by 2 high drops on the plastic back and glass display side. We anticipate that the 190 grams device will handle these tests without significant damage or shattering. As expected, the Nothing 2A shows no damage from the 2 low drops. Next, we move to the more challenging high drops. After examining both the back and the display glass production, we find that the Nothing 2A has excelled in drop impact resistance. Finally, moving on to fun stuff with value, the bend test, to evaluate the real-life structural strength and integrity of the device. There's some flex near the power button, but it remains intact. The slight crackling noise is heard during the second bend from the backside. Overall, the Nothing Phone 2A has proven to be one of the best smartphones this year in terms of usage and build quality. It's definitely a device worth considering.